Hello everyone. This is the new project. It's the industrial props collection. As you can see here, more than 20 props are there. So it's you can find the combination of plastic basket, also one paper basket and one dustbin, and also some wood boxes, and the metal barrel and wooden platform, and also the plastic barrel and cylinder, and also the wear holder roller, as you can see here. And you can see I try to make it like kind of like a oily rustness and a dusty kind of thing. As you can see, the bottom part of the of this wood crate, and also the bottom part of the barrel is a mixed with oil and dust, so it's kind of that kind of effect, as you can see here. And you can see the dustbin, and also the dustbin has some interesting effect, like you can see some hand painting effect. So it's like, yeah, these kind of things will create an extra realism, I think. And you see some sort of oil leakage of there. As you can see, some very oily, the faded painting things. So yeah, that sort of effect. And finally, I think it's looking quite okay, as you can see on the surface of this one. So yeah, this is from the substance actually. So the second part will be from the Unity, and third part will be from the Unreal. So this kind of props project is very effective in kind of like a city layout, and also you can use it in a city layout. You can use it in an industrial concept, and you can use it in many places. I segmented out the props such a way that these props can be spread in any of your project or level design. It has some barrels, it has some plastic components there, and wooden boxes, and also that sort of things. And it is quite effective in a city layout. So I think you are enjoying already, and I will come again. So this is the part 1, which is the substance painter. I will come again with the part 2, which is the Unity, and part 3 is the Unreal. So thank you, keep watching, and please keep like OpuArt and keep sharing my projects. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. This is the second part of the props design project. So as you can see, this is from the Unity HDRP pipeline. So as you can see, I just create a small scene there, and like all the projects, you can find here is the FBX, and then this is the texture set. Texture set is 4K. And here is the here is the prefab. Okay, here is the prefab. All the prefab are there. So more than 20 assets, and obviously here is the material. So yeah, if I just make a maximized view of that, so you can take a close look. So here it is, the final look, and I just use post processing. A little bit of post processing is there. So some sort of adjustment, the light and shadow and all that. So yeah, a little bit of bloom effect is there. So as you can see, I quite achieve with my goal that my goal was to create some sort of, you know, oily, rusty, noisy kind of effect. So you can see this kind of, you know, the wood is kind of like oil in the wood. So it's like you know, it's reflecting with the sunlight. So yeah, so it's that sort of effect. And also you can see the oily kind of tram, and also you can see the platform, and yeah, this things we can easily remove, like we can, you know, the prefab, we can easily do whatever we gonna do. We can just use it according to our needs. Okay, we can use it like this way and like this way. So yeah, I think with the texturing perspective, and you know, all the texture is behaving quite well. This is the back side, from the back side. And interesting part is like this one, you see the hand kind of, you know, a hand effect on this. So yeah, it's looking, I think it's looking quite okay. And you see the oil over the, you know, this area, it's looking quite okay. And you see this rough rounded wear. Okay, it's a metal wear, I think. Okay, so yeah, look at the shyness over the metal wear. So it's looking good, I think. And you see the oil, and you see the paint, and you see the shyness on the metal. So it's looking quite okay from my point of view. And it should be, it's like an industrial props, so it should be like not clean. Okay, it should be like that. It must have some oilness and some, you know, kind of like dirt and oil mixed up. So yeah, and that kind of effect and that kind of thing is reflecting quite well. If I gonna show you the shaded wireframe mode, so this is the wireframe. So wireframe is a very minimal actually. So as you can see, this is not so heavy poly object, but quite lightweight actually. So one material is responsible for one asset actually, by the way. So yeah, this is actually, I hope you enjoy this one. And the remaining part is the Unreal. So I will start the second, I will start the third part. And as you can see, my asset is fully ready for, you know, deploying in your project. So yeah, you can easily use that according to your needs actually. Just drag and drop, and the project will be there. Okay, so goodbye from the Unity HDRP. I will continue it in Unreal 5.3. So see you in part 3. Thank you very much. Hi guys, this is the part 3 of the industrial props project. So as you can see, I am in the Unreal 5.3, and there are some in the screen. There are some mannequin for the size comparison. So as you can see, the same project is there. So yeah, in Unreal we have the texture. Obviously all the textures are there, and you can see the materials are there, and also obviously the FBX file is there. Okay, so yeah, if I going to, you know, make a full view of this one, So you can see a little bit better. So yeah, this is like the size comparison. Okay, and you can see the same thing happening in the Unreal also. So like the texture are working properly, and I use the post processing volume for this one also. So as you can see, nothing much, just a ground plane, and then these assets are in the top. So yeah, so this one is like as you can see, the all the effects are working so good. You can see the same roughness, dirt, oil, and all the things. Okay, just like the Unity is there. As you can see, the all the things is there. Like just like the lighting is different. I mean, Unity has its own lighting system, and Unreal has its own. So yeah, the texture system is kind of like a different, but you can see the same effect, the same results is on the on your in front of your eyes actually. So yeah, I am actually quite satisfied with my results, and I think it's quite okay. And this is like a game ready pack, so you can you can just use it and drag and drop these kind of assets to your projects. And I use a little bit of post processing like color correction, bloom, and all that. So it's looking quite okay. So guys, I think this is the last part, and I am covering part 3. And if you like this one, you can it will be available in the it is available, actually not will be, it is available in the asset store. You can find the upward asset store in the CG Trader, and also Turbo Squid, Render Hub, and all the things, and all the links are there in my channel. And you can DM me if you need this one, so I will help you. And even I have a asset store in the ArtStation portfolio also. So yeah, I think guys you enjoyed this one, so please share and like my project, and I will come again with a new project. So till then, bye, and have a nice day, and have a nice moment to everyone. Thank you.